What's up, everybody? We are No Easy Props. We're a hip-hop arts organization. My name is Asia One.
My name is Lily Breeze.
And we're happy to be here with you today. Thank you for joining us. We're gonna take you on a journey, on a different experience. So loosen up and let's get on this ride. We are gonna go over what freestyle means, freestyle dance specifically. So what does freestyle mean, Lily?
Freestyle says it in the word, right? We have free and style. All of us are individuals. We have our own unique styles. And when we dance, and when we freestyle specifically, we pretty much can do whatever we want, depending on what we feel in the moment, what the music guides us to do, right?
This is when your own personal character and individuality takes center stage. There's no right and there's no wrong. And there's no competition either. It's just you and the music. So the first thing we want you to do is loosen up, put on a song, and just get into the groove. Let your body move to the song and kind of think about what's happening as you're moving. We're gonna join you on this. So you might see different things are happening. Your head might be swaying, it might be bobbing, your knees might be bending, your arms might be waving a little bit, doing something, your chest might be moving. Different parts of our body respond differently to rhythms and music. So that's really what the freestyle is in the dance. Now, let's go into a basic step that's in all dance, because no matter if you consider yourself a dancer or not, there's one step that every dance really has in common. What's that step called?
Two-step.
It's a two-step. So how is this two-step done, Lily?
Step to the right, bring your foot in. Step to the left, bring the other foot in. Repeat. Keep it steady to the beat. Yep. That's it.
Kind of like this, right?
Yeah.
So what's happening? You got your arms doing a little something too. You might get more into it. You might add a little chest to it. You might add a little bit more hips to it. But the step remains the same in terms of what your feet are doing. Now, this two-step, there's another variation of a two-step.
Yes.
Can you show us that too?
You stay center. I like to call this home. And it's like you go outside your house, come back to your house. Go outside your house, come back.
Feels different.
Boom. You kind of add your weight as you step out, right? We can take it to different directions, right?
You can. So what does it look like if we do it forward?
Boom.
You just kind of keep time with the rhythm. It feels different than the other version. We can step it back. Now we're gonna take this variation of the two-step and we're gonna break down a very, very basic step in the first dance of hip hop. And this first dance is called breaking. And this is something that both myself and Lily love to do. We are B-girls. If you're a female that does this dance, you're considered a B-girl. If you're a male, you're considered a B-boy. So anyway, this first dance is called the top rock. Can you break that down, top rock?
Yeah, top rock. So it's pretty much you dancing on top. You're rocking your body on top, right? So the first top rock step is pretty much the same feel that we did with this variation of the two-step. We're gonna take it forward and we're gonna bring the inside of our foot, we're gonna kind of showcase the inside of our foot, boom. And then our hands are kind of moving out and in as we step forward, come back.
So if you want to do this to the rhythm, we just speed it up a little bit. It's a casual step. Your arms are opening and closing.
Yep.
You can add a little bit more to your arms if you feel like it. You can make it original, however you want to make it. Add a little grab to a pull, whatever you want to do, it doesn't change. Now, when we add a little bit of bounce to it, it changes it up a little bit when we jump in the center before we step. So you can try to do that too. Lily, let's see your top rock. You can see she's adding other steps into it, little spins. So it's just a groove, it's just a groove. Thank you for joining us today. You just learned about the top rock, you learned about hip hop, breaking, and the two-step, and most importantly, the freestyle.
Yes.
So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna say peace.
Peace out, y'all.
Take care.